Okay, how to make a basketball in Pivot. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how we got this little basketball in here, and there's another tutorial on how to make it bounce and look like cool how it's bouncing. So let's just open this up and show you how that's done. You're going to go to File, Create Figure Type, or if you're a shortcut person, Control Alt F. So let's create a figure type, and when you start, you'll start with a black line like this. It'll look just like this. So to change that, step one is you're going to click on this. Now this looks like a cross-out symbol. It's toggle between the different kinds of segments. You're going to make it a circle, and then you're going to click this button to change it to fill in, or press F. And if you work with this a lot, you'll learn shortcuts, I'm sure. And then you're going to go to the color, and you're going to make it orange. You've now made a basketball. The last step is you just have to say File, Add to Animation, and you give it a name. I'm going to call it basketball. You can save these objects, but that's so easy to make. And then you can make it the size. I'm going to get rid of that one, hit delete. And then I'm going to put this one in. And you can make that bigger, smaller by clicking over here and changing the number. Or you can hold control and grab, and you can shrink it to the size you want it to be so it feels like about right. Probably this roughly the size of his head. I might make my character bigger, make the ball a little bigger too. There you go. Making a basketball. Not that hard. You got this.